Welcome to the Figma Fundamentals module, where we'll be talking about all things Figma. You know, tools, shapes, frames, groups, sidebars, left and right sidebar, the Figma, like Figma interface, how to change theme from dark to light, light to dark, how to change the canvas color. So basically every single thing that you see in Figma in general, this is exactly what we'll discuss in this module, including every single menu item, every single item in the left sidebar, every single item in the right sidebar, the tools panel, even when we see the drop down, we'll see everything there. So everything will be here in this particular module, Figma Fundamentals. This is also the module where you will learn how to create components, auto layouts, how to create variants, and all these things. Here, we'll just create them. I will not tell you where to use them, how to use them, and everything. Just how to create them in the first place. And then, when we'll start talking about how to create, for example, navigation, cards, model screens for mobile applications, for websites, or maybe how to create content for Instagram, and even how to create some graphic design elements, this is exactly where I will explain you why we're using auto layout, why we're using these parameters. So basically you will learn by creating, not by just watching, but by creating, and you will understand how everything works by doing something. And this is the coolest part. But first of all, we need to understand how everything works in Figma. So Figma Fundamentals module, see you in the first lesson of it. Well, that's the first lesson, but the second lesson will be about Figma interface. Take a look at that. You'll learn how to change the theme from dark to light and how to change the visual style of the interface of Figma you are working with. It will be super cool for you if you wanna, I don't know, maybe to impress your colleagues, or maybe if you didn't know about how to create that, it will be just much easier for you to adapt Figma to the style, to the visual style that you prefer. So see you in the next lesson.